Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki. I'd like to start this video with a moment of silence. May it rest in peace. Okay, so I'm here to talk to you about a mistake that I made. I bought some of the cheap knockoffs, look like they're the same mounts for GoPros, and I recently just lost one of our GoPros. Moment in silence, please. Yeah, because it was stupid, right? I was just saving myself a couple pennies here, a couple pennies there, seemed to make sense, and I'd get just the generic ones here off Amazon, and I did legitimately lose a GoPro. I have never lost a GoPro using these original ones, so I am converting myself back to the original ones. I don't know the science. I don't know if it's really 100%, you'll never ever lose in one kind of thing. But for myself, my experience is truly real world, much better with the original ones than the knockoff ones, so I'm going back to the original. In any case, I hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.